So it's an exciting day here at the Editor's Keys office. We have just been sent the DJI Osmo Action 4. Now, if you saw our previous review, you'll know the Osmo Action 3 was one of the best action cameras that you can get. So we're super excited to test this out. Of course, we are going to be doing a full review here on the channel, and it might even be live now. But in this video, we're going to do an unboxing and show you what comes in the box of the DJI Osmo Action 4. So let's open it up. Hey there, welcome to the video. So as mentioned, we have the new DJI Osmo Action 4. We've also been sent the new chest strap mount, which we'll check out. And interestingly, we've got some ND filters for the Osmo Action 4. So it's going to be interesting to see how well these work and if they can make your footage a little bit more cinematic. But let's get into this unboxing. So I'm going to turn this around, and of course, let's start with the Osmo Action 4. So let's open this up here. I'm just going to use the knife just to take off this first bit of the cellophane. Put that down there. Very nice box, very similar to the Osmo Action 3. Let's take off these little tabs here. Okay, and see how this opens up here. It's always a bit confusing when you first get a new box to work out which way it should open. So this one opens to the side by the look of it. So on this side, we have the Osmo Action selfie stick, invisible stick. So let's just see if this is any different. This is used with clean water. I'll take that off there. It's quite similar so far to the original one. Actually has such a great length on this selfie stick. I used this when I was underwater, doing a bit of snorkeling in Cornwall, and it works really, really well. Obviously, you can use it as a selfie stick as well out of the water. Super handy, that's included in the box. Now let's open these up and see what we've got in here. Okay, so let's open this one up first. This is the Osmo Action 4 by the look of it. So let's take a look at it here. So as mentioned, by the way, this has been sent to us before the official release. So some of this packaging could change, but let's take a look. Okay, 3 items there. First of all, let's open this one, because this is the one you want to see really. This is the Osmo Action 4. And there we have it. Let's take off the lens protector. Let's tighten that up like it says. Take that off there. And there we go. This is the Osmo Action 4. And to be honest, in the hand, first off, it feels exactly like the Osmo Action 3. Of course, the big difference here is the camera built into this. Apparently, it can let in a lot more light. It works great underwater. It can actually detect the temperature and color tone of the water to make your footage look almost perfect underwater. So you won't need to color grade it when you come back out to get it looking great and get rid of those kind of greens or browns that you often get filming under the water. So that looks pretty good. You can actually visibly see here on the lens, it says it's an f2.8. The field of view is 155 degrees, and we've got 1/1.3 inch sensor. So really interested to see what the image quality is like coming out of this camera. Now let's see what else we've got in this box here. This looks like a little thread mount of some kind. I think this is this is a 3M style one that you can stick on a helmet. Really handy, that's in the box here. Then we've got we've got two tightening screws for the mounts. We have what I love, it's these magnetic connectors. And I think this is one thing that really makes the DJI Osmo Action 3 and 4 really stand out. So if you haven't seen these before, this is what makes the DJI Osmo Action 3 and 4 really stand out. Unlike a GoPro, you have to screw this on to your different accessories. which can be a bit of a pain, to be honest, especially if you're going from, walking, vlogging, and then you want to put on a surfboard or your skateboard or something, or your bike. With these mounts, you simply just click it on like this, and it's magnetically attached. This is not going to come out. And I know if this is the first time you've watched this, you'll think, how can that securely hold it on? But trust me, it does. I have had this on the side of a car before. I've taken it underwater and it works perfectly fine. To get it out, all you have to do is pinch these two little buttons here and it comes out. So you can essentially have these on different devices, maybe one on your selfie stick, one on your surfboard or your bike, and then you just quickly swap and change them. Also, if you want to do more vertical shots, you get this little tiny cage. You can put this on, and this also has magnets on as well, so you can simply attach this to the side, so you can go from having your horizontal to your vertical shots as well, which is super handy. Now let's get into this box here, look at some of the accessories we've got. Let's tip this out. Expecting in here, yes, we have, again, another thing I really like about the Osmo Action over some of the competitors out there is this. This little box is a little battery case. It comes with 3 batteries, so you're never gonna run out of batteries when you're on the go. Apparently this new one can film for up to 160 minutes, I believe, so it's already got fantastic battery life. But you can charge all 3 batteries directly within this case. It shows you these little sort of charging LEDs here on the front, and you can charge with USB-C. So you've got this, you've got your 3 batteries, you can charge them all in one go, makes it so much easier. We've got another magnetic mount here. We've got the USB-C charging cable there. And that's what you get with the DJI Osmo Action 4. Now let's take a look at these next. This is the ND filters. I've never actually used an ND filter before on an action camera, but let's take a look. Ooh, nice little case here. It's like almost like a little makeup case. So you can clip this open. This means your ND filter is going to be protected. And we've got 3 ND filters right there. So we have different stops here. We've got 8, 16, and 32. So these come out like this, I think. Not sure if that's magnetized there, so they sort of clip back into place. So essentially all you would do is unscrew your main lens protector here and then screw on this lens here. Oh no, actually, that doesn't look right. I've got that completely wrong. Maybe this screws on the outside, so let's put this back on here. I thought you would take this one off and put this one on. So it looks like these actually go, so they actually sit just simply above the original lens protector, which is pretty cool. So obviously we'll try these out. It just simply slides on, which is great. So it's going to be interesting to see what kind of footage comes out of this camera when you use ND filters. And if you don't know what an ND filter is, it's basically like sunglasses for your camera's lens. It means that when you're filming, if you want to stick to the shutter rules, if you're filming at 25 frames a second and you want to film 1/50, it means you can achieve that with an ND filter. It means you're going to get that natural motion blur, which makes your footage look more like cinematic footage. So it's going to be interesting. If you're a vlogger, could this be the only camera that you need? I think possibly. If the Osmo Action 3 was anything to go by, for a lot of people it really could be. So there we go, we have the ND filters there, really nice case, very slim profile. It's perfectly in your bag. And then we have the chest strap. Now I'm not going to open this one right now because essentially it's just a chest strap like you've seen before, but we will be using this in a video. Maybe Lewis will go out on his skateboard, I'll go out on my bike, and we'll test out how stable this camera is. So there you go, there you have it. This is the Osmo Action kit right here. Comes with everything you need to get going. We're going to test this out over the next coming weeks, ready for when this bad boy launches. So if you want to see the full review and you want to see a ton of footage in different scenarios, make sure you check out that video on the Editor's Keys channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.